As cooler weathers have set in, the squirrels have had to learn to share their little feeding ground with some aviary friends. Smaller sparrows, chickadees, and such usually come by, some finches. We get an occasional robin or blackbird, but usually it's these smaller birds. I was hoping that maybe the cardinals would be attracted by the sunflower seed, but I think the squirrels get to it before anybody has a chance. If you need to check any kind of finch or sparrow off your life list, be sure to drop by. There's several of them every morning, not just here, but in the trees. Robins, killdeers, red-winged blackbirds,